Oh,
The nerf makes us so
I cannot even lift my finger.
tired.
I need some food.
Yeah.
Another war?
The waffle.
You said waffles.
Waffle.
Oh, waffle. Waffle sounds perfect.
Kids, I'll introduce the ingredients.
Oh. Oh,
2 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of salt
Ooh.
and 4 teaspoons of baking powder and 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 eggs, 1 1/2 a cup of warm milk and 1/3 cup of melted butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
oh, I love vanilla extract. Oh.
So in a large bowl,
Oh,
mix
my
the
pen.
dry ingredients, and that is salt, sugar,
Sugar,
flour,
Flour.
and baking powder.
baking powder.
Now it was 1 teaspoon of salt.
Let me scratch, please.
Go ahead.
Nothing.
Okay. 1 teaspoon of salt going, and
Salt.
1 teaspoon, and 2 cups of purpose flour.
Flour. Check.
Okay. No, not yet. Crunchy munchy. Count with me, crunchy and kids. What are you doing?
I was hiding my napkins.
Okay. 1,
1 cup. Check.
2.
2 cups. Achoo. Oh, I'm going to wash my hands.
Okay.
Wash my
And
hands.
it was 4 teaspoons of baking powder.
4 teaspoons.
Yeah, 4 teaspoons.
Kids, let's count together.
Yeah. I'll open this baking powder.
Whoa. Oh, hi, Bob. How are you doing there?
1, 2,
2,
3,
3, something wrong?
4.
4.
Now,
Or what's that? What is that? Oh, baking powder.
okay.
Uh-huh.
And 2 tablespoons of sugar.
Sugar. I love sugar. Sugar is my favorite. Sugar.
Hey, Crunchy-munchy.
sugar. Uh-huh.
Eat vegetables.
Yeah, I know, but sometimes I love to eat 1 cup of sugar.
What?
Just kidding. And now, the next step.
No,
Mix
we have to
them-
stir it well.
Oh, stir it well. Okay.
Stir the dry ingredients.
Mix.
Set it on the side.
Okay.
Now, the direction says in a separate bowl, beat the eggs.
Oh,
Put the
eggs?
wet ingredients. Okay.
Okay,
Now.
wet ingredients.
Where's the eggs?
Eggs? We don't have any eggs. Oh, Mr. Sam!
Yeah.
Mr. Sam! Mr. Sam, where are you? One moment, I need to translate.
What did she say? What did she say?
She made the eggs for us!
Oh, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Sam!
Now, we'll crack 2 eggs.
2 eggs. Boom.
L.
Oh. Eggshells inside? A little bit? You know, you should take out the eggshells inside. I don't want to eat eggshells cooked. I love the sound of cracking the eggs.
Okay. Now the eggs are cracked.
Eggs are cracked. All done? Can I
Now,
clean this up for you?
okay. Hey, okay.
Chup, 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 chup.
Isn't it heavy?
A little bit. Okay. All done.
Now, it says stir in milk. Okay.
Milk?
1 1/2 of milk.
1 1/2 of milk. Should I call Mr. Cow?
No.
You already have the
milk.
milk? Okay. Milk. If I drink milk,
Yeah?
do you think I can be taller like you?
No, you're a mitten.
Oh. Good milk. Gulp, 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 gulp. Grant, do you like to drink milk?
Yeah, I want
1 cup
to.
of milk.
Yeah. Now it's done. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
What's that?
Vanilla extract.
Wow. Can I smell it when you finish that?
Okay.
Oh, be
This is
careful.
very good.
Ooh.
This
Smells so
smells
good.
so good. It's a little bit very gooey and some black dots on it. It's
Ooh.
like a slime.
Yeah, it's like slime, really. Yeah. Next time we should try making some slime too.
Yeah, but I don't like slimes.
Because it's too slimy.
Yeah.
Oh, be careful,
Oh,
Lee.
sorry.
You okay,
Luckily,
dear?
it didn't spill.
Oops.
And some melted butter.
Melted butter. The color is really nice.
Yeah.
Melted
Now-
butter inside.
I will use KitchenAid to stir this. Stir it?
Mix?
Yeah.
Good. Good.
And
Ooh, cool. Carefully.
now we have to pull
Oh,
the...
that's time to pour down.
What? Oh. Now we put the napkin.
Okay.
Now we have to mix
Pour
dry
it,
and
pour it,
wet
pour it.
ingredients.
Pour it,
together.
Together. Mixing together. Together. Oh, can I take a look?
Okay.
Ooh, cool.
Yeah. It's like dough. And when you
dough.
touch it, it will be very sticky.
I made a waffle stuff. Waffles. 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 Waffles.
Hey,
waffles.
that is baby shark do 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 baby shark do 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 baby shark do 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 baby shark. Mama shark do 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 mommy shark do 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 mommy shark do 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 shark.
Oops. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, my neck, my neck.
Yeah, I'm pretty good.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum.
This
Ooh.
looks just right. Not too,
Uh-huh.
not too thin, not too thick.
Cool.
Now I'm gonna bring the waffle machine.
Can I follow you?
Now,
Oh, that was heavy. I bring the waffle machine.
hey, I brought it.
Yeah.
Crunchy-munchy brought it, or I brought it?
Crunchy-munchy.
It's me. Okay. Everyone knows it's me, so okay. No, it's me. Okay.
Good job. Good job.
Now, when you want to make the waffle, turn the heat on 180 degrees
Uh-huh.
and scale it to griddle, and the
What about the temperature?
180
Oh,
degrees,
okay,
and it will be
180
high.
degrees.
High. So we have to
Zero.
wait until 5 minutes.
Warm enough.
No, 5 minutes.
Warm enough.
5 minutes.
Okay. Warm enough.
5 minutes, Crunchy-munchy.
Okay.
Oh, Crunchy-munchy.
Oh.
The light turn on.
Oh, green means go.
Yeah.
Brown.
When the lights are on, open the machine
Uh-huh.
and coat the machine with the oil.
Why?
Because I don't want my waffle to stick on this machine.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, you see and I see. We all
I see sugar. Come here, sugar.
Hey, Crunchy-munchy,
Uh-huh.
you are so fat because of sugar.
Oh, I know. Come here, sugar.
Hey, Crunchy-munchy.
Uh-huh.
Now,
Oh.
now we will put 1 cup of the ingredients into the machine.
Oh, the ingredients are going into the waffle pan. Cool! Wow! Cool! Amazing! I cannot wait!
Yeah, you cannot wait.
Ooh, that's good. How many scoops?
About 5 or 4.
Maybe perhaps 4. More. That's looking good, Grant.
Yeah.
Can I touch the pan? No.
Now, if you touch the pan, you'll
Can I burn
there
my
will
hands?
be fire.
I don't want to burn my hands.
Okay.
Well, I think that's enough. Not
Yeah.
enough? Maybe more?
It is enough.
Can we close it?
Yeah, and we wait.
Wait.
Can you smell it?
Already?
Yeah.
So good.
I'm in love with a waffle.
Yeah, I'm in love with you.
Yeah.
What? What happened?
If you put so many ingredients, the ingredients will.
Oh, it's like a volcano!
Yeah. But wait a minute. Where?
Tissue. Oh my neck!
Smell like heaven.
Oh, come ahead. How come you always fall down?
Crunchy-munchy. Look.
What? Oh!
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh my god! OMG!
Yeah. OMG.
Golden color. Cool.
Yes. So.
So cool. I have to look for my head. Your head. How come you always fall down? Oh, I like that cute little waffle song.
Yeah.
Me too. Just the right size. Cool. One for you.
And 1 for you.
Where's mine?
Here.
Oh, come here, Waffle.
Not yet, Crunchy-munchy.
Come here, Waffle.
You have to eat with me.
Okay, I'm gonna wait another 5 minutes.
No, another 1 hour 30 seconds.
Okay.
All
Wow.
for you.
Smells like heaven.
Yeah.
This is heaven.
1 more for me. Children, you can use maple syrup, but we will use caramel syrup.
Cool, my favorite. Oh, look at that. That drizzle. Oh my gosh, it's fantastic. Oh, more syrup on me.
Okay.
Cool.
Done.
Amazing. Can you bring the waffle in front of me? Thank you.
Oh,
look,
hey,
it's
Crunchy-munchy. You are famous. I saw you on YouTube.
Yeah, I was on YouTube dancing with Giggly with sharks. Baby.
And Woogly Boogly and what was his name?
Huh? Well, anyway, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. I'm going to eat up the waffles.
Yes, let's
Eat. Oh, thank you so much for baking me the waffles.
Okay.
Let me try some. Oh, you gotta try it.
Okay.
Gotta try. You gotta try it. Ooh, love. Is it good?
Tastes like heaven too.
Oh, smells like heaven. Tastes like heaven. I'm in heaven.
Yeah.
And now, Grant.
See you later, kids.
See you later, kids. And another nerf fight. Nerf fight. Boom. Oh my. Bye.
Bye.